Everyone, I might be going bankrupt. I still have 50% of my assets in dollars. You see, many experts are now saying the dollar is facing serious devaluation, meaning dollar-denominated assets, like US stocks, will crash hard. Why is that happening? Everyone's been talking about Russia and China leading the development of a new payment system. This system could potentially replace SWIFT, putting the yuan in place of the dollar as the global currency. But I laughed. What's the real truth behind all this back then? Say I was Japanese and wanted to buy a Porsche from Germany. What if I showed up with yen to make the deal? Of course, it wouldn't work. No one wants to take yen because it requires converting it again, adding extra steps and exchange rate risks. The US led the creation of the SWIFT system, inviting every country wanting to participate in global trade into this network. Here, everyone used dollars, avoiding the hassle of currency conversion. Here's the problem. We have to produce extra goods just to get dollars, and that's seigniorage. The US prints money easily, while we work overtime to make extra goods. America just prints money. Meanwhile, we use the dollars we earned to buy assets that are losing value. Japan once tried to push for the Asian yen to break free from the dollar. The Plaza Accord crushed it, and they lost 30 years. After Europe launched the euro, the Kosovo War followed, and the euro depreciated by 30% right out of the gate. Some countries tried to stop using the dollar, like Iraq and Libya, and they paid a painful price. History has already given us the answer to what happens when you challenge the dollar. Russia and China decided to push the BRICS payment system, attempting to break free from dollar control. This is a bold move. Let's see how far it can go. The main goal of BRICS Pay is to help more countries break free from dollar dependence, making trade freer. It's a direct pushback against dollar dominance. The emergence of the BRICS payment system is challenging the dollar's global position. But this isn't an easy challenge because US pressure is everywhere. Amid this financial struggle, Bitcoin has emerged as a new digital asset. It doesn't rely on any country. It's completely independent. Bitcoin's potential value lies in its decentralization. No government can control it. That's why it has caught so much attention. But investing in Bitcoin requires careful risk management because of its high volatility. Before it rises, you must learn how to cut losses decisively. My strategy is to win more, lose less. I set stop losses to keep risk limited, while each profit could be 3 to 4 times as much. This way I lose small but win big. Dollar monopoly makes international trade more expensive. Many countries are forced to trade in dollars, adding extra costs and risks. Russia tried trading with India in its own currency, but it turned out this type of trade was impractical. In the end, India refused to accept Russian currency. In the face of global financial uncertainty, Bitcoin is seen by many as a hedge against traditional financial systems. Its freedom and uncontrollability are what make it so attractive. Dollar depreciation has far-reaching effects on the global economy, especially on dollar-denominated assets. Stocks, real estate, you name it, they're all hit hard. In this global wealth reshuffle, those who position themselves early often emerge as the winners. It requires deeper insight and the will to act. Every economic crisis is an opportunity for wealth redistribution. What's important is whether you can see the opportunity and prepare for it. The dollar monopoly might be coming to an end as BRICS countries challenge the old order. But breaking this dominance will still be a long journey. Bitcoin broke past the resistance line, and this is an excellent entry point since there's no clear resistance above. The key to financial freedom is smart investing and risk management. Knowing how to minimize risk while seizing every opportunity. Russia's economic sanctions led it to find China. Their cooperation aims to bypass dollar restrictions. It's a mutual need. The global financial system is undergoing a major transformation. Whether it's digital currencies or the BRICS payment system, they're redefining the current order. Future investment opportunities belong to those willing to learn and position themselves early. Prepare in advance to stand firm in the future. Strategic investing brings great returns. What we need is patience and wisdom. If you want to take control of your future, act now. Join our free investment course and let's face the challenges together. This story reveals the power struggle in the global financial system, from the dollar's dominance to the rise of Bitcoin to the challenge posed by BRICS nations. It shows that the global order is shifting,